this problem looks easy, but most people get it wrong. So we need to find the value of x, and we have the expression that says 3 power x minus 3 will be equal to 4 power x plus 2. So I'm going to solve this problem. I will use two different ways to solve this problem. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to take the logarithmic method, in which I will take the log on both sides. When I take the log on both sides, I will get log of 3 power x minus 3 will be equal to log of 4 power x plus 2. So now I'm going to use a law that says if we have log with a power p will be equal to, we can write that b times log of a. So when I use this law, I will get x minus 3 into log of 3 will be equal to x plus 2 log of 4. Now we are going to expand this, and in order to expand this, I will multiply log of 3 with x as well as with 3. When I do that, I will get x log of 3 minus 3 times log of 3. Now I will do the same thing on the right side as well. I will multiply log of 4 with x as well as I will multiply log of 4 with 2. When I multiply, I will get x log of 4 plus 2 times of log of 4. Now after that, I am going to do what? I am going to take x values on the same side. In order to do that, I can subtract the right hand side value on both sides. When I do that, I will get x log of 3 minus x log of 4 will be equal to 3 times log of 3 plus 2 times of log of 4. Now we are going to do further, and in order to do that, I will take x as a common from the left hand side. When I take x as a common, I will get x into log of 3 minus log of 4 will be equal to 3 times log of 3 plus 2 times of log of 4. Now in order to get the value of x, I need to divide log of 3 minus log of 4 on both sides. When I do that, I will get x is equal to 3 times log of 3 plus 2 times log of 4 divided by log of 3 minus log of 4. Now I will use my calculator to find the value. When I do that, I will get x is equal to minus 21.09. So this is our answer. Now I'm going to use another way to solve this problem. So the next method is to separate the powers, and I'm going to do that. This is the equation that we have in the start. So I will separate the powers. If we know that this is 3 power x minus 3, so I can do what? I can write that in the form of division, because we know this indices law. So this will be 3 power x over 3 power 3 is equal to, here I will use the indices law as well. So this will be 4 power x multiplied by 4 power 2. Now I'm going to further simplify this. I just substitute the value of 3 power 3 and the 4 power 2. So I will get 3 power x divided by 27 is equal to 16 times 4 power x. Now after that, I can multiply on both sides with 27. When I do that, on the right side I will get 432 multiplied by 4 of x. On the left side we have 3 power x. Now we are going to move forward. I will divide on both sides with 4 power x. When I do that, so I will get 3 power x over 4 power x is equal to 432. Now we know that by using the indices law, which is a b whole power n, I can write a power n b power n. I'm going to use this similar law for the division as well. So I will use this. I will get 3 over 4 whole power x will be equal to 432. Now in order to get the value of x, I need to take the log on both sides. So I just take log on both sides, and then I'm going to use the property of log. When I use that, so this will be x log of 3 by 4 is equal to log of 432. Now in the end, I can divide on both sides with log of 3 over 4. I will get x is equal to log of 32 over log of 3 by 4. So when I divide that with the help of calculator, I will get the value of x, which will be equal to x is equal to minus 21.09. So we can see that in both methods we see the same answer, we get the same answer. So this is our final answer that we have. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question related to this, or you have any other method to solve this problem, you can tell me in the comment as well.